Namaste friends, welcome back to Biology Center for True Learning. In this video we discuss about human respiratory system. Human respiratory system is mainly consisting of respiratory tract. Another one is lungs, which are called respiratory organs. Third one is diaphragm. First we talk about respiratory system, afterwards about lungs and diaphragms also. Respiratory tract is the passage by which air enters the lungs. The first we construct the complete human respiratory system, then we will get a complete idea about the entry of air and exit of the air through various elements. The respiratory tract actually begins with external nares, also called nostrils. Second one is nasal chamber. Third one is internal nares or nostrils. Then nasopharynx. Next part pharynx. Next part larynx. Then another part trachea. And another part primary bronchi. Then secondary bronchi, it opens into tertiary bronchi. So afterwards pulmonary bronchioles, then terminal bronchioles. So afterwards right here respiratory bronchioles. So afterwards alveolar ducts. Afterwards alveolar sacs. Finally alveoli. Here this complete system can be divided into two zones. So one is conducting zone, another one is the exchange zone. The conducting zone from external nares to the terminal bronchioles, it is called conducting zone. The main task of conducting zone is receive the atmosphere air, filter the foreign particles, dust particles, and bring the air to the body temperature. It is the functioning of the conducting zone. The other one is exchange zone. Exchange zone begins from respiratory bronchi to the alveoli. This is called exchange zone. Here the actual exchange of the gases oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place between the blood and atmospheric layer. Then here the two more trees can be identified. So one is bronchial tree. Bronchial tree is from primary bronchi to the terminal bronchi. This constitute bronchial tree. Next, from respiratory bronchioles to alveoli constitute the respiratory tree. Respiratory tree. First, atmospheric air enters external nares or nostrils, then enters nasal chamber, then into internal nares or nostrils, then into nasopharynx, then into pharynx, then into larynx, then into trachea, then into primary bronchi, then into secondary bronchi, then into tertiary bronchi, then into pulmonary bronchioles, and then into terminal bronchioles, and then into respiratory bronchioles, then into alveolar ducts, alveolar sac, and ultimately reaches the alveoli. From alveoli, through diffusion, air diffused into the blood. From blood to the tissues, the further transportation of gases will happens. To understand this human respiratory system, remembering of all these elements involved in human respiratory system is very essential. Thank you for watching this video.